Dear students, so now we are going to solve that 0/1 knapsack problem. It is a dynamic programming concept. What is dynamic programming? The problems are divided into number of sub-problems and each problem solved individually. When the same problem occurs again, that previously solved problem result we have to retrieve, and that is stored in the table. That table answer we have to use in that problem. Okay, so already we know we are solved one problem, so again we will continue the session. Okay, here 0/1 knapsack problem. So this is that problem. They are given weight, item weight value, and total capacity of the bag is 5 kg. So which item we are inserted this bag, we are getting the maximum profit, maximum value. Okay, that is we are solving by using that dynamic programming concept. For that we have the recursion formula V of I comma j equal to maximum of V of I minus 1 comma j comma Vi plus V of I minus 1 comma j minus Wi. This condition is applicable for this one, and V of I minus 1 comma j if j minus Wi less than or equal to 0. This condition applicable for this one. Okay, so how to fill the table? That is, we already know that. Yes. So how to fill this one? Listen carefully. So here we are writing the weight. That is item 1. Item 2, weight value from the table. Item 3, weight value. Item 4, weight value. From the table we are written. The total capacity 5, so 0 to 5. And the first row is, for all the problem it is 0, and column also 0. Rest of the thing we have to complete. How to complete this one? So first capacity pack, the item 1 you take it, the first capacity pack is 1. So here weight is 4, we cannot hold, so it is possible, not possible, so it is 0. For 2 also not possible, 4 kg, 0. 3 also not possible for 4 kg, 0. 4 kg capacity, weight 4 kg is possible, so the corresponding value is 10. That value we have to insert here. 5 kg capacity, but we have 4 kg weight. Okay, so it is possible to hold 4 kg in 5 kg. So because we have only 4 kg, so that value of same 10 we have to insert here. Okay, next row, listen carefully. Weight is 3. Okay, value is 20. That time you have to consider the previous problem also. When you are going to solve the problem, that time you consider previous problem also. Okay, that is a dynamic programming concept. So how? Here 1 kg. Here already 4 kg. Here we have 3 kg is minimum. So 3 kg cannot hold in 1 kg, so 0. 2 kg capacity back, we cannot hold 4 and 3 also, so 0. For 3 kg capacity cannot hold 4 kg, but we can hold 3 kg capacity. So the corresponding value is 20. 20 is filled here. For 4 kg capacity, 4 kg is possible. The value is 10. So we cannot write 10 here, because compared to previous value, row value, it is maximum only, not minimum. Compared to 20, 10 is minimum. So you don't write 20. So the same value you must write here. That is 20. Okay. Next one, 5 kg capacity pack. Okay. So it is possible to hold 4 kg. What is the value? 10. You cannot write 10 here. What I am saying, recursion. Previous value is 20. Compared to 20, 10 is minimum. Can't write the minimum value. Maximum value you have to write. So the maximum value is, that is the previous value is 20. So 20 we have to hold here. Okay. So now let's see the next row, how to fill in that rest row. Here, 1 kg capacity. When you are taking the item 3, that time you have to consider the previous also. This one, and that time you have to consider this one also. 1 kg for 4 kg not possible, 3 kg for not possible, 2 kg also not possible. So 0. For 2 kg, 4 is not possible, 3 is not possible. 3 kg capacity cannot possible to hold in 2 kg bag. And next 2 kg is possible to hold in 2 kg bag. So what is that value? 15. The corresponding value 15 you have to insert here. Okay. Next, 3 kg capacity bag. 4 kg is possible, 3 kg possible, 2 kg not possible. So already we have 3 kg weight. Okay. So this is fully occupied for this full capacity bag. So what is the value here? 20. That value insert here. Compared to this one, this is the maximum also. Okay, equal to or maximum, not minimum value. Now, 4 kg capacity. Again, these three you have to take, these 3 items. 4 kg is possible, but the value is 10. You cannot hold value 10 here because already we have the value 20. This value is greater than or maximum equal to 20. So it is minimum value, not possible. 3 kg cannot hold in. So that time what happened, that the previous value, what is that? 20. The same thing you have to write here. Okay. Any doubts? Next one, 5 kg. For 5 kg, 4 kg is not possible, 3 kg is not possible, 2 kg is not possible. But 5 kg capacity, we have the item 3 plus 2. How much? 5 kg. That is possible. So the value of 20 plus 15. That value 35. 20 plus 15, 35. That value you have to fill in this row. 5 kg capacity. Here we don't have 5 kg. Separately it is 4 kg, 3 kg, 2 kg. But when you are combining this 3 plus 2 kg, 5 kg. So 5 kg we can hold in that 5 kg bag. What is the value of 5 kg? 20. Profit 20 and 15. So 20 plus 15, 35. 35 you hold here. Compared to this one, this is maximum. So not an problem. Okay. The next one. Here 0. Here 1 kg not possible for 1 kg items. Okay, 1 kg not possible. Here 4 kg, 3 kg, 2 kg, here 5 kg. So there is no 1 kg capacity of weight. So in that bag, 1 kg capacity bag cannot hold any items. So 0. For 2 kg, we have compare to previous. When you are filling this rows, you have to compare the previous also. So here 2. So what is the weight? So 2 kg can fully occupied in 2 kg capacity bag. So the value is 15. Insert here. 3 kg capacity. We have already 3 kg capacity weight. So what is the value? 20 you fill here. Compared to this one, this is maximum. So no problem. Next you take 4 kg capacity. You have 4 kg weight. The weight is 10. So you have to write 10 here, but we no need to write 10 here because compared to previous, it is greater than or more than that value. But compared to 20, 10 is minimum. So don't write this one. That time you write that same value here, 20. Okay. Next, 5 kg capacity. Here 5 kg capacity is there, 25. Okay. But compared to previous, here 3 kg, here 2 kg, totally 5 kg. So what is the value of 5 kg? 20. Okay, 20 plus 15, 35. So compared to 25, that 35 is greater value. So the greater value 35, you have to fill in that 5 kg capacity. Okay, any doubts? Now we are completed that table. So what is the final value? This is the final value. Okay, in this table, this is the final row and column. That is 4 into 5. What is the final value? 35. So this is the profit. Okay, 35 when the capacity 5 kg back, the maximum profit is 35. Okay, so which weight we are hold the back, we can get 35. That is now we are going to find. Okay. So the time, what is the total weight? 5. Yes, because 0 to 5 capacity, total weight is 5. So maximum profit is 35. So profit you write 35. This is the answer, profit. Now which items we are using to get 35? Okay, we have to find the items. So that maximum profit we have to compare to the previous row value. So this is also 35. Okay. Now this 35 also compared with the previous row, 20. Okay, but 20 is not equal to 35. Yes. This same value you have to repeat here, but here we got the value 20. So you don't take item 2. So item 3 is okay. So item 3 you write here because it having the same value. Okay, 35 is our profit. So 35 is here. So that item is 3. So already we have total item is 5. So 5 minus what is that item? 3. 5 minus 3 equal to 2. Okay. So the maximum profit 35, that value compared to the previous row. So here also 35. Again, you have to compare with the previous row. It is 20. So you don't take 20, you take that 35 because it is equal to this one. So now 35, what is that item? 3. So item 3 you have to take. First item we are founded. Okay. Next, again, so for 35, item 3 we are selected. So 35 minus, what is the weight of corresponding item 3? 15. Okay, this is the value of the corresponding. We are selected 35. For this, you take this one. The corresponding value is 15. So 35 minus 15, 20. Okay, and the weight is, total weight is 5. So 5 minus the weight is what? 2. Okay, so 5 minus 2 what? 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. Total weight is 5. Now we are selected, the value is item 3. The item 3 value is, that is weight is 2. So total weight minus that weight 2, 5 minus 2 equal to 3. Okay. Now we are selected one item. So whether it is possible to select other items, we have to check now. Okay. So now we are selected that item 35, the value, total value 35 minus 15 is 20. Now this value we compare with that last row in that, whether the same value is available in the previous row. That is, we have to check. Yes, it is available in the previous row. Again, you have to check the next row also. Here not available. So don't take this one. You take this one. What is that? Item 2. So item 2 also possible. So write that item 2. Okay. What is the previous value? Weight 3. So 3 minus, now we are selected this item 2. What is the corresponding value? 3. So this 3 you must write here. 3 minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, this 3 is previous weight 3. Now we are founded, the weight is item 2, that is 3. So 3 minus 3, 0. Okay. So that is 3 minus 3, 0. And what is the previous value? The previous, that corresponding value is 20. You write here, and sorry, this 20 you write here, and the corresponding value is 20. So 20 minus 20, 0. So when you are getting 0, 0, then you are solve the problem correctly. So the item 2 and 3, these are the two items you are holding the 5 kg capacity pack, and the maximum profit is 35. Okay, maximum profit is 35. That is your answer. This is your answer. Okay. So the maximum profit is 35. Why we take 3, sir? Not 3 3s. Listen carefully. I will explain one more time. Already existing value is 3. That is total capacity 5. So this corresponding weight is 2. So 5 minus 2, 3. Okay, now we are holded one item. So which item? Because that bag contains, once if you are filled in the bottom, then we have to compare the previous. How much you are filled in that previously? That is, we know that. So total capacity of bag 5 kg minus that corresponding, now we are finding 2. So 5 minus 2, 3. So balance is 3. Okay, so you take that balance of 3 and the same value. Okay, now we got the value is 20. Where it is available here, from here to here it is available. Last row only you have to check. here available, here not available. So you take the item 2. What is the corresponding value? 3. So 3 minus, already we have 3. So 3 minus this 3, so 0. And here we got the value is 20. So that value is here, here. And already we got the value is 20, that value here. So 20 minus 20, 0. This is 0. This is also 0. Then your problem is solved perfectly. So this is your maximum profit is 35 and item are 2 and 3. That is your answer. Okay, doubt? Have any doubts? Okay, so now let's see about how to solve by using this formula. So suppose you take that item 3, 4. Okay, when you are submitting 3, 4, how we are getting that same thing we are already filled from that formula, how we are getting the answer. Okay, so what is the formula here? If you do not get 0, then you are filled the table not perfectly. Okay, so fill the table mostly can get zeros. Okay, maximum the problems they are given is like that only, 0 only. Okay, now let's see how this value we are getting through applying this formula. So V of I, that is, I said no, this is J value 4, I value is 3. So 3, 4, I, J, 3, 4. So V of I, 3 minus 1, 2. Okay, comma Vi, that is 3, V3. Okay, I is 3. So V3 plus V of 3 minus 1, 2. So it is 2 and J minus Wi. So J is what? 4. So 4 minus, what is the corresponding weight? 2. So 4 minus 2. This is J is 4. 4 minus weight of I. So weight of I is 3. Weight of I is 2. So 4 minus 2, 2. So 2, 2. Okay. So what is 2, 4? So 2, 4 is 20. Yes. From the table you find it because it is already found. So 2, 4 is 20, right? 20, V3. So what is V3? 15. So 15 plus 2, 2. 2, 2 is 0. So 15 plus 0, 15. So maximum of 20, 15. What is the maximum value? What is the maximum value? 20. So that is the answer. So 20 you have to fill in this 3, 4. Okay. So by using this formula, we have to fill the same thing we are explained a shortcut method how we are filled that table. Okay. Now 3, 5. 3 and 5. This is 3, 5. How we are getting 35. Please try to solve this problem, okay, by using this recursion formula. Okay, and you must know the shortcut method, then the time duration to solve this problem is very easy. Okay. So any doubts to solve the 0 bar 1 knapsack problem using dynamic programming approach? Okay. So finally, what is that? That capacity is item 2 and 3. What is the item 2 value? 20 plus 15, 35. So the maximum profit we fill that 5 kg is 35. And which item we have to hold in the back? Item 2 and 3. Okay. So that is our final solution from this problem. Okay. The final solution is this one. Profit is maximum 35 and the items are 2 and 3. So read the problem table column carefully and you must know which item we have to insert, what is the maximum profit. Okay. Okay, thank you to all.